Alright guys, this is Julia. Everyone say hi.
Hey.
Hi.
So this is I'm just gonna call this basically the last day of the challenge, the last full day, because tomorrow at 12:30 my time I'm booting back into RS6. And we're all gonna talk about our experiences in this video, and I know we're missing a couple people, but it's fine. I'm gonna start off with Dude Fox.
Hi.
Hi. Talk about your experiences.
It wasn't bad. I mean, it was mainly just the fact that it's older and a lot of the newer stuff is missing.
Gonna have to agree with that.
You get used to the newer things and then you go back to the old stuff and you're like, where's this feature again? Oh, right, it's not here.
Yeah, it's amazing how much Windows 10 has actually changed. It actually has changed quite a lot, especially like feature-wise, it really has changed. Like stuff like Nightlight isn't here, and we have the Action Center on the left, and all that stuff, and the old settings icon, and the search the web in Windows. So old. Anything else you want to say about it? Oh yay, Omega's
No,
here.
not really.
Hi Omega, we're making a video and I want you to talk about your experiences. Like, I know you quit, but I want you to talk about your experiences.
Well, it was good. Kind of.
I thought you said it was bad. Okay.
Well, it was fine. It was just Chrome was messing up.
So anything you want to talk about RTM?
Not really.
Other than your Chrome was messing up, so you just decided to go back to April update.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also you probably should get like an SSD or another hard drive. Oh yeah, you're getting another computer, that's right. When are you getting it?
I don't know, but I will also need to get an SSD too.
Yeah, your computer
That's probably not going to be for a while.
Well, when you do, it'll be much quicker, I'm sure.
I know.
Okay, Dude Fox is BRB, so anything else you want to say, or should I move to the next person now?
You can move to the next person.
Okay, Tony. Oh no.
Hello.
Tony didn't really do it, he tried to do it, but explain what happened.
Day one, I'm trying to install RTM, and I figured out that NVIDIA doesn't support RTM anymore for the graphics drivers, so I either have to use NU, which I didn't want to use because I wanted to.
So pretty much you couldn't use RTM, but you didn't want to use NU because it wasn't, since everyone had RTM, you were just like, well,
yeah.
I don't feel like I'm part of it now. So you just decided not to do it, and then you liked 8.1, and then you switched a bunch of times.
I switched to, I was on 8.1, then I was on RS4, then I was on Aero 10, now I'm on 7.
Alright, Brandon, type your opinions, though, what you thought. Just type them if you don't really have anything to say. But that's pretty much it, I think, for Tony. Oh yeah, so Brandon says RTM was bad. That's his opinion on it. I guess he just doesn't like it because it lacks a lot of features, I'm guessing. And it just seems so old. Well, let's move on. Sonic.
RTM... well, I don't like the fact that it had one little bug. Now, the bug was that all the notifications kept appearing on the taskbar. And then it was cool. It was so cluttered up. Ugh.
So you just didn't like the way it did notifications.
Yeah, and plus, where's the color title bars? Yeah. Oh wait, they're not there. It's a beta.
That's not a thing. Yeah, that's not a thing at all. So.
Yeah.
Pretty much, that's the one thing I didn't like. I mean, you could tell it feels like really old, right?
RTM is...
It's ew. Don't use it, guys. It's ew.
It'd be like, not unless you want to be one of us.
And Sonic, that was a really good prank.
Yeah.
You decided to prank us all. And oh yeah, you want to know the latest thing? People keep saying the challenge was fake.
Bro.
It's not fake.
It was actually real, guys.
We
The reason
actually
why
did it.
And plus, there is something everybody should know now.
Yeah, people kept saying it was rigged when it was actually just a prank.
Yeah.
There is a difference between rigged and pranked.
Rigged means you just gave it to them.
Yeah,
You did not mix it up.
To like, yeah, it just means you gave it to that one person and you didn't mix them. That's what rigging is. But a prank, because everyone got the same thing. Even Sonic himself gave himself the same thing.
Yes.
He made it fair to where everyone got the same thing, including him, and that no one got like RS4 or anything. So technically, it wasn't rigged. It was a prank to everybody.
Yeah.
So for all the people that
At least everyone should get. At least everyone actually. At least it was challenging.
And it was challenging because a lot of us don't even like RTM. It's missing so many features, and it's like, you know, a lot of people didn't really like it too much. So anything else you want to say? Because Daniel needs to speak. Is that it?
RTM is worse.
It's worse, and worse than NU.
Yeah.
I agree with you. I'd rather have NU than RTM. All right, now Daniel.
Daniel, your turn. How was your experience?
RTM is best. That's that. I could sum that up. It's really good, really quick on my main computer, unlike RS4 where I had to buy or get my SSD out on my laptop to just put it in and have it, an acceptable speed. For real.
Daniel liked it.
Yeah, and it was
Surprisingly,
fun. I
RTM
liked it.
was actually fast.
It was very fast.
It's lacking a lot of features, but gonna be honest, because it's like a beta and missing a lot, it actually is really fast.
Yeah.
My computer boots in like 10 seconds.
Yeah.
And that's just because, well, I have a really good computer for one, and two, there's not really much to it, and three, I don't have a lot of
Guys, I
programs
gotta
installed.
go.
Alright, see
But
ya.
RTM is best, so see ya.
See ya. So Daniel likes RTM, I guess, because he had issues with RS4, but let me be honest, guys, it's best to stay up to date. You want to have all the latest patches, because if you're not up to date,
Yeah,
you're gonna get hacked.
RTM is best.
Yeah, but if your computer is going slow,
Just
At
run
some
maintenance or free up space, like in that new video I just made about freeing up space.
RTM is best.
So I am gonna say this though, everyone has their own opinions. If they think something's good, then they think that. If they think it's not, then they think it's not. So everyone's like entitled to their own opinion. I'm gonna say mine now. I mean, to be honest, like, it's fast and like it does pretty much everything I needed to do. I didn't really have glitches, except for I did have a glitch where I tried to drag a picture in Discord and it was not dragging for some odd reason. But later on, it just started working again. I guess it was just a glitch, because even when I restarted Explorer, it wouldn't work. Maybe when I rebooted my computer, it fixed it. I don't know. But it was some weird glitch. Other than that, I mean, it worked. It did what I needed to do, and the thing I just don't like is this action center being on the left, and I mean, it just looks old. This just looks really old. I like the transparency, though. It's very transparent, which is cool. But it also, this old settings icon, the non-colored title bars, it just doesn't look good. It doesn't feel complete to me. I mean, not saying that RTM's like bad. I mean, it's okay as far as how it works, but it's just lacking so many features. I thought I'd experience a lot more bugs because RTM is known to be buggy, but I guess it wasn't that buggy this time because I did get the latest cumulative update that it could get. And even Windows Update says it's up to date because I found a way to hide it from getting 1803, which I don't recommend doing that. We only did this because it's a challenge. It's only a week. There I'm getting a Windows Defender update. I didn't install everything since I was only using it for a week, so that's why it's probably faster and a little more stable because there's not a lot of stuff on here. But tomorrow I'll be switching back to RS6, and then I have to do that Windows 7 challenge for a month. I'm going to try on the 9th to try to get it installed if I can. And then I'll use it for 30 days since the trial is 30 days for Windows 7. So that's what I'm going to end up doing. But pretty much, I mean, RTM feels old. It does work, like it's actually worked fine. It worked better than any other time I've used it, because all the other times I've used RTM on my computer, it's just worked really bad. So I'm guessing the fact that I got Windows Update to work without pulling 1803, so I'm able to get all the drivers installed, and having all the drivers makes it work better. So I have everything installed, and that's probably why it's more stable, because when you don't have drivers, it's going to be unstable. But the fact that you have drivers, it's more stable. Makes sense?
Yeah.
So, I mean, it works fine, but it's not safe to use. It's been unsupported since May of 2017. Surprisingly, the last update was June 2017, so I'm like a little over a year out of date on security updates. So just gonna let you guys know a couple things in the video. I'm taking a break from Discord after a while after this challenge. This will probably be like the last day I'm gonna be on for a while. Don't worry, I will come back. It's just I need a break from the platform because I have a lot of stuff going on. There's been a lot of drama lately, so I kind of want to take a break. I might go on at times, like once a week or something, but or maybe once every couple weeks. I don't know. I'm barely gonna be on. It could be longer, and that's just because I want to like just take a break, because I've been on it so much doing 3 challenges this summer. The only reason why I did 3 challenges was because it gave me things to do, because I didn't go anywhere on vacation. So, oh yeah, Dude Fox is back. Oh, hi, Dude Fox. But I didn't go anywhere this summer, but next summer I am going somewhere, so I'm only doing 1 challenge next summer, and it's gonna be different. Like, you don't have to be on constantly for that challenge. So it's gonna be a little bit differently than any of the other ones, and that'll be the only one I do in the summer. There might be a mini challenge. I don't know if I'd call it mini or not, because it's only gonna be like 2 weeks that one of my friends is hosting. I think Jesse said he's gonna do a challenge in December. So if you're interested, let us know, because he's gonna do that if people are interested in it. And his is gonna be a lot different as well. It's not gonna be, you know, just like Windows. I think it's gonna have Linux and even Windows Server OSs.
Server?
Yeah, he said he might include Windows Server OSs in there.
Count me in. I want to get Server 2008 or 2.
So to be honest, if he does that, it's gonna be interesting. I actually would love to do that challenge.
Windows
So
Server
I hope
challenge.
enough people sign up to want to do it. Like if he posts forums or something, I hope people want to do it.
Why
Yeah,
Windows
I think I
Server?
might help him host it.
I could help him too.
Just let him know, because he does want to do a challenge. But
Yeah, I said now guys, if you guys want to know something, I said I can help him host it, because with Julia's internet, hers internet will go in and out, but mine, it'll just be straight up fine.
So, Sonic, you're gonna help with the next summer challenge as well for me, because you have all the ISO files already.
Yes, I still do. I still have them from the old Winland.
So you can keep those and use those, and then add some more in there. So
If the mega account is almost full.
yeah, that's the only issue. You might have to make another one. I'm not sure, because you did delete them, I think, off the Winland account.
No, I deleted the backups.
Oh,
Can I just play some kind of nostalgia sound right now?
The
Well,
regular,
I'm
the
recording
normal,
a video right now.
the normal ISOs are still on there.
Ah, okay. So, pretty much, with these challenges, I'm taking a break for a while. I'm going to college in a couple weeks. I will try to upload some videos. I'm not doing any challenges, though, for quite a while. So, leave some video ideas in the comments below of what you guys would like to see me do on this channel, and I will do more videos for you guys. I already have some ideas. Like, I did that freeing up storage video, which I think is going to help a lot of people.
Yes, it will.
I won't be on social media as much, but I will try to make videos. So that is one thing I'm not going to stop doing. You just might not see them as often if I'm really busy in college. Because I don't know
Now-
exactly how busy I'll be, but I know I'll be quite busy. So it might be every week or 2 that I have a video, depending on how much work I get. Besides,
Yeah.
ideas are going to be hard, coming up with ideas every week when I'm busy with college a lot. Which is why I'm going to need your guys' help to leave comments.
Mm-hmm.
So, anything else you guys would like to say to my YouTube or anything like that?
I would say the people that were in this challenge, thank you guys for participating.
And not
It was-
giving up, even though it was a prank.
Yeah.
I
and-
also have something to say.
Alright, I'll let you go after Sonic.
Do not ever run RTM, NU, or AU, or CU.
Why?
Run them all.
Because CU is gonna lose support very soon.
I suggest that if you guys are on older versions of 10, you update to the April 2018 update. It is actually really good.
Or if
Insider.
you want, to be hacked, stay on the old version.
Yeah. Being honest,
Couldn't we just run 7?
I kind of don't feel safe staying on RTM right now, but the fact that it's only a week and I'm switching back tomorrow to my Insider partition.
And hey, at least we don't have that WannaCry thing.
Yeah, we are all
Like-
patched for WannaCry, because we all ran all the updates that RTM can get. And there is
Yeah,
an
I'm just
LTSB
saying, like-
there is an LTSB that is still supported, but we're not on.
Yeah, there is an LTSB of RTM that is still
It's
supported.
just I don't have a license for it, and I don't want to crack anything because I don't want to do that unless I.
It's actually called LTSC
Unless I
now.
want to use it unactivated, which I might end up just using it unactivated on a computer.
Well, it's LTSC now, not LTSB.
I think you could call it either.
Yeah, either way it goes.
I think it's the same thing.
Yeah, it's still the same.
So, anything else anyone wants to say? Like, any of you guys want to say anything?
Not really.
All
Now,
right, go ahead.
now, the people that were not in the challenge, you get to. How about this? People that were not in this video but they were in the challenge. Comment down below of how your experience was with RTM.
Well, that wasn't. I know Tam isn't in here. Tam, I think, is still on vacation. Probably that's probably why he's not in here, or he's
Yeah,
maybe
so
on the
he-
way home from vacation. Maybe. I don't know. I know he got his phone stolen. I feel really bad for that still.
Yeah.
Because that is just bad. Don't leave your phones at the beach, guys. Don't leave them unattended. Because people do go through people's bags and take crap. So, don't do that. But
Yeah.
if any of you guys did your own challenges, comment below what you guys thought of the things you did. And I know some people don't consider this a challenge, but to us it was. So, everyone has their own opinions. No need to judge us.
Yeah.
Just, if you don't like it, don't watch. Just gotta put that out there. Besides, I'm taking a break from challenges for a while now. And all the next ones, I'm not gonna be recording videos constantly either. Like the one I do next year, once a week. Literally.
Yeah.
I'm only gonna do them like once a week. Because I'm still gonna make normal videos while doing it, which would be better so the people that aren't very interested will see other content. That's how I'm gonna change it next year.
So yeah. But
I'm
now I
going back to
will
normal
help
videos
Jesse
already.
mix up the ISOs.
What?
I will help him. I will actually help Jesse mix up the
Alright,
ISOs.
yeah, I'm already making normal videos. Like, I made computer adventures, and, and I made a bring up space video, so I already am doing normal videos, because during starting this challenge, and actually starting after the Windland, I started making a bunch of normal videos again. And I still have
Yeah.
been. Alright, dude, Fox. But I am gonna make I'm gonna edit part 3 of the adventure soon, but we're gonna have to make a part 4 because part 3 is like an hour and a half almost. So
Guess what?
Yeah.
what?
I'm getting Windows Media Center set up
Nice.
for some reason.
That's cool. So guys, I'm actually really excited to start college. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a different experience, and I actually can't wait to like just take a break off social media for a while because, no offense, there's been a crap load of drama. You guys all gotta admit, there's been a crap load of drama.
Yeah, there has.
So it would be nice to just take a little break, and that's probably why I'm not gonna be on Discord.
Yeah.
And don't worry, I'm not getting rid of my account. I'm just not gonna log into it for a while.
Yes.
So if you send me a friend request and I don't like accept it right away or something, it's because I'm just not on.
That's because she's taking a break.
But I will accept it when I get around to it.
Yes. So
Which-
don't worry, guys.
My tag is 4888 if you guys want to add me, by the way. So I think I'm gonna stop the video here. I mean, this challenge was actually interesting because it really felt like a challenge because I don't like outdated software. So it's a challenge to me just because of how outdated, and it's nice to see how Windows 10 used to be and how much it's evolved because I have the latest insider build you could possibly get on my other partition, like the skip ahead one. That's like the highest build there is right now. And it's totally different compared to this, and I actually cannot wait to boot back up into that. It's gonna be awesome. So I bet you guys are all excited to go back, right?
And how many times did I use RTM?
Like 3 times. I honestly feel bad for you. Cause April update is way better. Stay on April update.
Okay, so what
And
happens
then
if I'm
update to the new ones. What?
I'm on 7?
Well then just do all the 7 updates if you're on 7.
I
If,
still
if
have
we're ever gonna
4 to 7.
do another 10 challenge, only the supported
We're
one.
not doing another 10 challenge. We're done with the 10 challenges.
But wait a minute. Tony.
We're not doing any just 10 ISO challenges anymore.
So is that my challenge cancelled?
What, Sonic?
No, yeah,
Hang
I
on.
know Brandon canceled his because of how many challenges there are. I'm taking a break from challenges, and I'm not gonna do as many challenges anymore. Just because.
Yeah, I'm kind of done with my challenges too.
I'm kind of sick of them,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah, I want to do a challenge again.
We'll do one during Christmas and then summer. Only one challenge though, like for each. So one during
Okay, I'll
winter
be fine
and
with that.
one during summer. We're not doing 3 again. I think it just burnt us out doing that many. I know by then we'll be excited to do it again. It's just for now we've done so many this summer that we just need a break from them for a little while, and we're only
What are the
doing like
challenges
one.
gonna be- What are the challenges going to be called?
I don't know yet, but I think it's better that we just do one next summer because I know a lot of us are going to be busy with other things during the summer, and I certainly don't want to spend my entire summer doing challenges. I think just June is good enough, not July and August. July and August should be free.
Yeah.
I think most people will agree, and the one in June.
And what are you
that we
gonna do?
The one we do in
What
June
are you
next
gonna-
year is gonna be different. Like, we're not gonna be on constantly. I'm still gonna be making videos during that, and only once a week doing videos on what the OS is and about it.
And Julia,
Yeah.
for Windows 10's 4th birthday, what are you gonna be doing?
Don't know yet, but I know for this one, I just made videos on all the versions and explained what they were.
I feel like next year you should make a song about it.
I should actually, honestly, that'd be funny. You guys, let me know if you want to hear a song on Windows 10's 4th birthday. I'll make up a song, and I'll try to learn how to make music, maybe during my free time or the next challenge. We can do making music.
By the way,
again.
it's honestly crazy that Windows 10 is now 3.
I know, right? No, we should make music again next summer during the next challenge, and then I can use that music I can use that music I make for a later video.
Or a diss track in
Or-
all the versions.
Or I can make the video and then just wait till July 29th to upload it. So I'll make it in like June, but I won't update it, or not update it, I won't upload it until July. I think that's a good idea. So, anything else you want to say? This video is getting long.
And for me, no.
Pretty much, I'm taking a break from challenges for a little while, for months.
Rest in peace challenges for a
And,
while.
and if you guys weren't able to get in any of the challenges this summer, you can wait till winter break and next summer to sign up again. And there'll be one during winter and one during summer. But that's it. We're not doing
And the
multiple
winter
in
one,
summer.
the winter one's gonna be pretty good, I can tell. Because it's in winter. It's in Christmas.
Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. But then
I'm
again,
glad.
I won't be on as much because I will be still with family.
Hey, at least we're not getting a winter creators update.
I know, right? I was afraid they were gonna do that.
We're getting a Halloween update. Windows 10 OU coming soon.
October update.
I swear if
That's
it
gotta
is
be a-
OU.
It better not be OU.
It is.
Ah!
If you're on RS5, you can do PowerShell command, and you can see it's going to be Windows 10 October update.
That could be a placeholder. Someone told me it was a placeholder. It doesn't mean it's
October
gonna be
update,
that.
Yay!
What if they actually do Halloween update?
That they should. That'd be cool.
HU.
Then again, not everyone celebrates Halloween around the world.
Yeah,
So,
but if it was HO, oh wow.
I know, right? Alright,
Or
well,
Christmas update.
I doubt they're gonna do like
See
actual
you!
holidays.
See you!
Yeah.
See you 2.0.
And we have AU 2.0.
I know, we already have an AU 2.0. It's like when someone says AU, what AU are you
It's
talking
April
about?
update.
Anniversary update or April update? What are you talking about?
Or we call it SCU.
Okay,
Spring
let me
Cleaners
compare
update.
this. Guys, hush it. Let me compare this. AU is anniversary update, but AU 2.0 is April update.
No,
Or
it's going to be called
A20.
AU2. AU2 is going to be...
No.
A2018.
It's like this: A2016U, A2018U.
Nah, that's almost too long. What about A16U and A18U?
That works.
Or A6U, A8U.
I mean, I guess all that.
That'll
I
that'll
don't know,
work.
that kind of doesn't make too much sense.
Well, it's Microsoft's fault, so
Being
Let's
honest,
just make it AU16 and AU8.
by the way, I am building a computer soon, so when I do this challenge during winter and summer, I'll have my new computer, except I might not do the challenge on my custom built computer during winter because
yeah.
I'll be on vacation during winter break, but for summer I'd probably use it for sure.
You can't use your main computer if you got Windows 7 on the challenge.
I could.
If you got Windows 7 AMD Ryzen,
I'm not getting an
I can help
AMD
you do that.
Ryzen.
What?
I changed my mind again.
you're gonna
Yeah,
get
can
an
you
Intel.
Even Intel still doesn't support 7s.
Well, then I'd have to figure something out or make.
You would
it
have to get a 6th
In-
gen.
No,
Or-
Intel doesn't have a fix, but AMD Ryzen, you can do this weird thing. And AMD Ryzen is just some kind of USB thing that the chipset doesn't like.
Well, what I could.
Intel, it's just generally the CPU that doesn't like it.
Well, for me, I would probably just end up using 7 on my main laptop and just use it on the laptop if I got 7 next summer.
If you're gonna get an Intel, get a 6th gen because those are like the best apparently.
Well, I'll figure it out. I don't know exactly when I'm building my computer, but we need to wrap up this video because it's getting really, really long.
Yeah.
In this next clip, you guys will see it'll be me tomorrow booting back into RS6, but if we get Tam on, Tam might be in the next clip. So,
Yeah.
if not, then oh well. But,
They'll just have to comment.
yeah, so
Or I can
anyways,
send you a clip or
everyone,
something.
thanks for watching. Thanks for watching these challenge videos. We're gonna make it a lot more fun, and I think in the next challenges we do, like the winter one and the summer one, we should plan more days out of doing actual things and make them actually happen, and instead of saying, oh, we're gonna do that, and then it doesn't happen. You know?
Yeah.
We need to plan it more, but because it's like a year from now, I think we can do that.
I mean, that's enough
I'm
time.
the main host, but Sonic will be helping with the ISOs because my internet kind of messed up when I was uploading them, and my Mega account is full.
I feel like you should just buy a new modem because
We've tried. We went through multiple modems. Last summer, it did the same thing.
well,
It was
if you
actually
have the
worse.
one like mine actually works pretty well.
Yeah, my internet was worse last summer.
Are you using the default one?
What?
Are you using like the default modem that the ISP gives you?
Yeah, we are, I think.
Those ones are trash.
Opinions. I mean,
It's not
the
opinion,
speed
it's a fact.
But the speed is really fast on it for us. It's just, it goes out sometimes.
Yeah, that's the modem's fault.
Yeah, but it's been doing this for like a while because we've gotten more and more modems and it kept doing the same thing. So
I feel like you should change ISPs.
we really should, but there really isn't another good ISP. So, yeah, we can't really switch where we are to another ISP. It's not gonna really work. They're worse. The other ones are worse than the one we have now. It's like we have no option.
My computers might just, for some reason, stopped working for a second.
That's weird, but anyways, thanks for watching this video, everyone. Thank you. I'm gonna make some more other videos, more computer adventures, but if I don't upload as often, it's because I'm in college, because I'm going in a couple weeks, and I'm gonna actually have an art class on Saturdays, so I won't even be home on Saturdays until later. So, yeah.
So yeah.
So everyone, say bye to the video.
Bye.
Guys, this is Julia, and this is the, like, basically last day, because in, like, an hour and 15 minutes, which is at noon my time, I'm gonna boot back into RS6. So before we, do that, anything you guys want to say to the videos? This is getting added onto you guys.
I've already booted it. I've installed, most of my programs most of my games now, and I'm now using, I'm now waiting for Gary's mod to install all the add-ons because Steam is a butt.
And I'm about to go back onto RS6 soon, which I'm excited, and then I have to do that 7 thing. I don't know when you guys will see this video. Maybe today or tomorrow, I don't know.
And Tony's gonna crash his computer with middies.
Oh boy, he's gonna crash his computer with middies, oh no. So anything else you guys like to say? I mean, RTM was, it didn't work bad, but I really miss all those features from RS6. So I actually cannot wait to go back into RS6, because I'm gonna miss it. So, oh, Dude Fox is here. Hi, Dude Fox. I'm recording. Anything you want to say to the video? I don't hear him talking.
Dude Fox
I see
is
him lining
silent.
up, but I don't hear him.
I hear him, but he's just very silent.
He is?
I'm still working on these laptops.
You need to get a new hard drive for that Toshiba. It's stinking
Alright.
dead.
Oh yeah, 950
Okay,
days
well,
old
here's
and
the
it's
thing. They brought me a hard drive for the Dell. Guess what?
what?
It's dead too.
Yay.
Oh, great. They might just want to buy 2 new hard drives or 2 cheap SSDs.
Or-
Here's the thing. They said they don't have a lot of money.
RIP.
If
Well,
I can get this password off the hard drive on this Dell, that's perfect. The problem is that without the password the owner set or the original owners to transfer the ownership of the machine, there's nothing that can be done.
Use a Windows
if
PE
any of you guys
password.
know how to get a hard drive password off you, and you guys know, leave comments. But it's
See, here's the thing. It leaves 2 codes, the service tag and a system disabled code. Some websites claim to be able to give them that, pay like $15 or $20, and they'll send you a password to remove it.
You could
The thing is, I
contact
don't know how
Dell.
reliable they are.
You could
No,
contact
because
Dell.
you gotta be the original owner.
Great.
You have to be the original owner, and if you're not the original owner, then you're SOL.
Well, RIP. Well, if any of you guys know any ideas, leave them in the comments, but I'm going to be booting back into RS6 in an hour and 15 minutes, because at noon my time, I'm booting back into RS6. So, anything you guys want to say to the video?
RTM is best.
No, it's not. But it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be.
What are you talking about, Daniel?
Yeah.
She's like, how's RTM? Actually, it's not that bad.
I said,
Mine is
it really
electronic as
isn't,
fun.
listen, it really isn't that bad, except for it's lacking a lot of features and isn't supported anymore, so it's recommended not to ever use it.
I recommend it. Okay. no.
But someone's gonna get it next summer in the challenge. I wonder who it'll be.
Ahem, Julia.
No, it better not be me. Heck no. Yeah, Daniel. Or Sonic. Or Dude Fox. Okay, no. Dude Fox is good. He shouldn't get it. And
Dude
Brandon
Fox should
should
get it.
anyway.
I don't want RTM.
Yeah, Tony can't even run it. If he gets it, he literally has to use NU. Or 8.1. because that's the one before it, and then there's the one after it. And you could switch with someone if that happens to happen. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop the video here, but we'll see what happens next summer. I'm actually very curious to see what we'll all get. It'll be interesting, and it'll be a little bit different than any of the challenges we've done. There won't be videos every day on it, which, to be honest, is better, because then I could still make other videos and I won't be on Discord constantly. In fact, I am taking a break off Discord now. I'm just on because it's the last day of the challenge, but I'm staying invisible because it's the last day. But after that, I'm not even gonna open my client, so yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Say bye to the video, everyone.
Everyone.
Bye, guys. The next video, you'll see me booting into RS6. I guess we're not going to hear from Tam. He's not been on. I don't know where he is. Maybe he's still on vacation or he's on the way home or something. But Tam, leave a comment of your... Tam, if you leave a comment of your opinion, I will pin it. So,
you will what?
I will pin his comment if he leaves his opinion in the comment.
I thought you said something else.
No, I said I'll pin it. So that way people can see his opinion, but if you didn't comment, then you're not going to see it. So hopefully he comments. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. Say bye.
Install it, everyone. Bye.
No, bye. Guys, so this is my last video before booting back into RS6. It's 12:32. I was going to do it at 12, but because I technically started at 12:30 and I was still talking to people, I decided to wait. But pretty much... this is pretty much my goodbyes to RTM for either ever or for a long time, because I do not plan on installing this again because it's insecure, and the only time I would install it is if I had LTSB or if I got it in an upcoming challenge, which I hope I don't, honestly, but I guess we'd have to wait to see what happens. But pretty much this is RTM with this awesome wallpaper, which I love this wallpaper. Actually, I made this, which is cool. Like, I took a wallpaper and then I changed the colors on it and I made it look like that, so I find that really cool, actually. And you guys can see this is RTM, and it's just, I'm gonna miss it. Like, honestly, this old start menu is just crazy. Like, look how transparent that looks. It looks so transparent, and it's just crazy. And I modified it because I uninstalled a lot of the apps, so it just went like that, because I never changed the start menu except for adding a couple things, and I don't know why Cortana's there. I don't even have it enabled. It's disabled. I used up a lot of space, but it's still 30 gigs, but I did free it up in that free up disk space video. I am going to back up this partition once I'm in R6, like the files I want, and I might just image the whole entire hard drive and restore that image later, because I don't want to lose my RS6 skip ahead while I'm using Windows 7 for a month. But you guys can see there's RS6, which is taking up more space because I put some video files on it because I didn't have enough storage to put them on this drive. So I had to put them on the other drive in the videos folder for the computer adventure stuff, which I'm going to try to edit that today. But you guys will be seeing this video before you see that video because I want to get this up first since the challenge is ending. I don't like these non-colored title bars, so I can't wait to actually be back on something new and modern, because to be honest, I really cannot stand RTM. It's not that it's working bad, it's that it's so old to me, I just don't like it. Like, I prefer not using it. I'd rather use something newer. And I actually miss Insider, I miss the features, and I feel like it's just going to be so much better. So, pretty much this is my goodbye to Windows 10 RTM. I'm gonna delete this partition after I get all the files off that I need. Probably gonna delete it today, make an image of the drive, and install 7 tomorrow for the challenge. Hopefully that goes well. It's just like using it for a month. I don't know if I'd call it a challenge. I mean, it kind of is, but it's not what I'm doing with people. It's just a tweet got 50 retweets, and because of it, I have to use it for a month on my main. But I actually kind of excited just to see what Windows 7 was like, because it's been a long time since I've used Windows 7 as a main operating system. It's been mainly I used it in like 2015, and then back then, before then, like back in 2012, but then when I got a new computer in like late 2012 or early 2013, I started using Windows 8 and then 8.1, but then when I got rid of that computer and got another one in the beginning of 2015, it had 7 on it, but it was better specs, and I used that for a while and then upgraded it to Windows 10 when the free upgrade was a thing. So pretty much after that I had dual boots, but then in I think it was summer of 2016 I switched over to this laptop, which came with originally 8 or 8.1, not sure which one. And I used 10 on it, and I could install 8.1, and 8.1 does have a license, but, you know, I've used it, but I never tried 7 on this. I'm just going to use the 30-day activation, and if that doesn't work, I might just take a key off a computer that's broken, or that I'm not using the key on, because you can do that as long as that key's not being used simultaneously, like with another computer. It will work, because I've done it before. So yeah, just gonna say goodbye to Windows 10 RTM. The settings app is so old. It actually says it's up to date. It actually still checks for updates, but it only gets Defender updates on Windows Update. Because RTM is obviously no longer supported, so it's not going to get any other updates. So I got rid of the feature update on here with a program. Wouldn't recommend doing that, but I only did it for the sake of this challenge. I would not ever use this as a main OS forever, because that is insecure and bad, but I just hope I don't get this in another challenge. Oh boy, I would actually freak out, probably more than this time. I would really have a flip out attack over it, because honestly, it's bad. I would freak out. This old store icon, I just left a lot of this default. Like, I really didn't want this bar here because it takes up so much room on the taskbar, but I wanted to leave it as default as I could. I did hide the battery icon since I don't have a battery in here, and I did unpin Edge, because who uses Edge? And I did download Firefox, which I've not used Firefox in a long time, but I just used it the other day. And it's actually pretty fast, probably because I had no extensions and stuff on it. But I mean, this OS though, it's interesting, and it still gets updates, and it's crazy. Like, it still gets Defender updates, and that's it. But if you're on LTSB, you will actually get a lot more updates, and it seems like it does a lot of Defender updates, because I notice RTM seems to check more for updates on its own without you doing it. So even if you don't check it, it still checks, because I don't think I checked on the 6th, and look how many times it updated. It updated like let's see, looks like 2 times a day it checks, maybe even 1 time a day. So like once or twice a day it actually checks for updates, but on RS4 and up it doesn't generally do it as much, so it's best to always go to settings, update, and security, and do this manual check by clicking that. So it's always good to do that. So anyways, guys, goodbye to RTM. This is the software install from all the custom programs, which mine had like CCleaner, WinArrow, and one other program, which I can't remember what it was off the top of my head. But if you watch the video, you'll see it. Oh yeah, it was Paint.net, which is an older version of Paint.net, because the newer versions of it do not work on RTM because it requires a newer .net framework. Surprisingly, ShareX works on the latest version, but programs are starting to lose support because some use .NET Framework, and you cannot run newer .NET frameworks. You can't run 4.7 on RTM or NU. Only AU and up, I think, can run 4.7. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. The next clip will be booting back to RS6, so let's stop the video. But before I stop it, look at the old Action Center icon. And this old Action Center. Oh boy. This is just crazy how old this is. It's so old. Alright, guys, so I'll stop the video now. Actually, stop this, because I did. Look at the old store. This is literally the old store, which has probably been updated. It says something happened, probably because it doesn't support this app, because it's probably an older, because it's an older Windows 10 and a newer app. If you look up that error code, that's probably what it means. You guys look it up and let me know. But I'm recording right now, so I have to stop the video because there's background noise. So, bye. Alright, I'm gonna boot back into RS6. Sorry for the background noise. I can't help it. So, let's do it. Before I do this, I want to take one last screenshot. Okay, I'm gonna stop this real quick. So I wanted to post a couple pictures before I let this go, but now I'm gonna let it go, so let's just reboot. 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Goodbye, RTM. But I'm actually excited because I actually like Insider 10 times better, so I cannot wait. Although I'm gonna have to switch to 7, but that'll still be a whole nother experience. At least I get to use Insider for the rest of today, and maybe a little bit tomorrow. I'm not sure. And let's change our defaults. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. Now we're gonna boot back up again. I'm actually excited. I'm really happy right now, but this video might be an hour almost, like all the clips combined. But, oh well. It's Cider! Here we go! Let's log in. Oh yes, we are back, and there is Insider. Oh boy, I missed you so much, Insider. Oh boy. I probably need to run updates on this, definitely. I doubt we're up to date. It's already getting an update. Oh boy. Where's the build? Is there not a build? It's the same Defender update I did on RTM just recently. It's the same exact one, it looks like. But, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna screenshot that. I'm gonna post that. Oh no, hold on. So I just posted that on Twitter real quick, but let's click retry. I think it's trying to do multiple updates at once. That's probably why it failed. And we're up to date, so that's great. I guess there was no skip ahead build since I've been gone. That's amazing. I thought for sure I'd have a build update unless my Insider is messing up. I better look up and make sure this is even the latest build still, because I'm not getting any updates, but it's very well could be because they're releasing RS5 builds like crazy right now. And yeah, that's probably what it is. So, anyways, thanks for watching. That's me going back to RS6, and it's amazing. And bye-bye for now, guys. And thanks to everyone who was in the challenge. And hi, Ninja Cat. Anyways, bye-bye.